Hi, I'm Amit from Nimble Foundation. Today I'm going to make a presentation on the use of the infinitive. First, let us basically look at what is an infinitive. The infinitive is the base of a verb, often followed by to. For example, I want to go. They tried to find fault with us. The form to go and to find are called infinitives. Now this word to is frequently used with the infinitive, but it is not an essential part of it. This means that after certain verbs such as bid, let, make, need, dare, see and hear, we use the infinitive without to. Let us look at some examples. Bid him go there. I will not let you go. You need not do it. I saw him perform the task. The infinitive to is also used after the verbs will, would, shall, should, may, might, can, could and must. Let us look at some examples. I will pay the bill. You should work hard. He can speak 5 languages. You must come to the office tomorrow. The infinitive without to is also used after had better, had rather, would rather, sooner than and rather than. Examples are: you had better ask permission. I had rather work than play. I would rather call him than wait endlessly. Further, the infinitive can also be used with or without adjuncts, like a noun, as the subject of a verb. For example, to stay calm is not always easy. To do justice is extremely important. The infinitive can also be used as an object of the transitive verb. For example, I do not mean to offend. He likes to meet friends. As the complement of a verb, for example, her greatest joy is to act. His custom is to worship daily. As the object of a preposition, for example, he had no choice but to accept. The speaker is about to commence. As an objective complement, for example, I saw him leave. The use of the infinitive is also to qualify a verb, usually to express a purpose. Examples are: she called to meet my uncle. That is, her purpose was to meet my uncle. I come to find work. He wept to see the desolation caused by the flood. The infinitive can also be used to qualify an adjective. Examples are: milk is good to drink. The employees are willing to work. He is too self-conscious to make a good presentation. Finally, we can also use the infinitive firstly to qualify a noun. For example, this is not the time to laugh. He is a man to be emulated. We can also use the infinitive to qualify a sentence. To tell you the truth, I quite forgot my offer. He was petrified, so to speak. That's all the time I have in this presentation. I'll be back again with you to discuss another subject of grammar. Until then, thanks for watching.